Favorite ice cream is cookies and
Okay, I'll call you later, okay?
Or
Bye.
I also like, I like cotton candy ice cream.
I should ask you, do you want this?
What do I like most about Washington? I like, I don't know, I don't really spend a lot of time here.
You need awesome!
Yes. My favorite song that I sing is Down to Earth. Pardon? No.
I love you! Her uncle
Yes. I pick random people, so it's not like I just pick. Yes? Yes, Beyonce is still my biggest fan.
I love you!
Yes.
He's not saying that.
I got my shoes at Sporty LA in LA yesterday.
Oh my god! It was her birthday yesterday. Will you sing happy birthday to her? You know you want it. Happy birthday to me.
Alright, anybody else's birthday? Alright, so we're gonna sing happy birthday to everybody. Whoever's birthday it is, alright?
I love you!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you.